How to get a random decimal number between two numbers, i.e. the bounds you choose. This is day 12 of learning something new. Today, let us learn about random.uniform function. This function randomly generates a decimal number between the bounds you give. The bounds may be integers, but they can also be floats, i.e. decimal numbers. The range from which this function selects a random decimal number n is closed interval a comma b closed interval, where a comma b are the bounds you give and both of them are inclusive, i.e. the randomly generated number is such that a less than or equals to n less than or equals to b and not a less than n less than b. Unlike randint, this function's outputs are not restricted to integers. This function also gives floats, i.e. decimals, which are in between a and b. This function is called uniform because every value in range has equal probability for being chosen as the random value to be outputted. Let us see this function in code. Let us import random module into this file. Using this function, let us generate a random float between 9.1 and 29 and store it in a variable. Let us print the return value of this function which is stored in this variable, random float. Let us run this file. See, a random float is generated between 9.1 and 29. Let us run this file again. And again. And again. This is how this function works. Let me know in the comments which Python library module you wanna learn next after this random module. That's it for today, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the Instagram handle of same name. Thank you for watching, guys. Until tomorrow, bye bye.